Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, where I'm going to be sharing 5 print-on-demand niches that are going to help you increase your sales in the near term based on real data from Amazon that I was tracking in the past week. So let's get to it. First, we're going to look at the organic top 10 bestsellers. And anybody who follows sports, no surprises, basically completely dominated by the two teams that remain in the World Cup. We've got Spain or España, and then we got Argentina. And two of the top 10 are America's 250th anniversary, 4th of July, which I'm going to go ahead and victory lap. I did say that we can expect those to continue selling past July 4th as long as the design has that 250 years element. And that continues to be the case, but it is gradually slowing down. All right, moving on. Niche number 1 this week is going to be, it's going to be a design style, because we are kind of starved for new niches as print-on-demand sellers in this period from July 4th. Really, the next big calendar niche is Halloween on October 31st, but obviously there's, non-specific date niches like back to school is going to be a big one, obviously, that you can take advantage of, but we already talked about back to school. So I went through the best sellers in Podly, the Amazon research tool, and I saw a lot of overlap of the stamp style designs. I'm calling it the stamp style. You can see here, you've got like a big gorilla in that like Shogun Japanese stamp. You've got Catzilla, you've got the Black Cat, you've got Cthulhu, you've got Samurai here behind me. If we kind of dive deeper into it, I wanted to show you that you can feed this into AI and say something like, render a new design in this style, but make it of an axolotl. And check out some of these outputs. I actually think they're really cool. Quite a few to choose from there. If you guys didn't know, you can do this in Google Flows for free. And I actually even went ahead and shared an AI prompt of how to generate. It's going to use axolotls as the example if you were to copy paste this that you see behind me. And I will put it in the description for you of this video. So a free AI prompt, how to generate designs in this style, but it is hard coded in this one that you see behind me for axolotls. So you would just want to change that part. But guys, that's where we're at today. It's crazy to think where print on demand was 10 years ago when I started versus where it is today. Things are moving extremely quickly. All right, niche number 2, the bootleg design style. So we're leaning into design styles again, because when I'm spending lots of time scrolling through my research tools on a regular basis, and I'm not seeing overlapping like single niches, or it's rare right now to see a lot of overlap of single niches that we didn't already talk about. And I don't want to recommend selling a Spain shirt or an Argentina shirt, even though whoever wins the World Cup, they're going to see a massive spike in sales for their shirt. I'd rather just kind of lean into what I'm seeing. And I'm seeing a lot of these bootleg design styles. This has been around. This has been popular for years, but it continues to be popular. Look at the BSRs, the bestseller ranks. That's a real data point that Amazon gives us, and it updates throughout the day. So it's telling us that these shirts are selling regularly. The first shirt, I got that dog in me, 118,000 BSR. The second shirt, I got that dog in me, but it's dogs instead of hot dogs, 118,000 BSR. The third one, I clogged your toilet, and it's like wolves. 69,000 BSR. The fourth one, I eat cement, 104,000. That's selling regularly at 104,000 BSR. That could be a sale every day, or every other day. It all depends on time of year. Like this, a 100,000 BSR in December is going to represent a lot more sales than 100,000 BSR in July. Just worth noting. Okay, so the bootleg design style, niche number 2. And you can use AI to create designs in that style just as easily. All right, moving on, niche number 3 now. How about hot dogs? Somehow, some way, they're still trending. We talked about how they trend in July more than probably any other month, but there's just so many crazy hot dog themed designs that I don't even feel like reading because they're too crazy. Every time I read them, I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is absolutely insane. But hot dog themed designs, an incredibly wide spectrum of ways to attack this niche in terms of sub niches. And a lot of them are just absolutely hilarious. But, I got that dog in me, probably the most popular one. And then you've got the July 4th hot dog behind me here, just holding a red Solo cup and waving an American flag. So niche number 3, guys. And this is based on me not actively searching for hot dog designs. Just so you know, I went to Podly. I used their research tool. I just let it sort by BSR, the lower the better. So the lower the BSR, the higher it's going to rank. And I just scrolled and again, did not tell it what niche to show me. And I saw a ton of repetition in the hot dog niche. I mean, here's 9 examples here behind me. So these continue to sell well in the summertime and also continue to make me laugh when I read these designs. Let's move on to niche number 4, and that is going to be Raccoon. Raccoon inspired designs. We have talked about this before. Again, when I feel like we're starved for the obvious, easy to predict demand, I just go with what I'm seeing. And we continue to see raccoon-inspired designs or designs that have a raccoon element, even one in that kind of Japanese stamp style design. We continue to see them doing well, guys. So I am here delivering the message that if you are sitting down and not knowing what design style to lean into, but you're uploading to Etsy and Amazon and you're just looking for a sale, I would definitely consider listing some raccoon themed designs. And as you can see, there doesn't seem to be a rhyme or reason or common thread between them outside of just the containing a raccoon. All right, niche number 5. I just put social media new trends. Somebody sent me a video, probably my wife, of like a viral thing out of Yellowstone National Park where some guy got like, I don't know, attacked by, now it sounds bad, but I feel like he got like attacked by a bison or something like that. You know how it is. You know how many people die every year, like because they're trying to get some photo on their, cell phone of something instead of just kind of living in the moment and experiencing it. And if the video was true and it wasn't AI, because these days, who even knows, the guy was just standing there really close, relatively speaking, to a big bison trying to get a good photo of it. And then it just kind of charged him and attacked him and flipped him up into the air. Akin to what you see on the t-shirt design here behind me. And it says, Yellowstone National Park, do not pet the fluffy cows. And here's the thing. I'm not saying that you should go upload this because ever since they released a hit TV show called Yellowstone, it's been a little bit iffy of if you should be uploading any designs that say Yellowstone to Amazon merch specifically, where we know they get a little bit tight with the approval and rejection algorithm. But I did want to mention that like social media new trends, if you believe they have the potential to go viral, or if you already know they went viral, I mean, this could be a huge opportunity. So niche number 5, social media new trends. All right, emerging trends now. These are all outperforming their 30-day average BSR here in Podly, so could be indicative of coming trends. And what do you know? The first 4, Spain, Argentina, and Spain. And then beyond that, just some more kind of evergreen designs across different niches. All right, looking ahead, here are some hand-picked smaller calendar niches that fly a little bit under the radar because they don't have as much predictable demand. They're not as big as Halloween or something. August 9th, Aviation Day. August 20th, National Radio Day. Both of those you could probably generate sales in, by the way. August 21st, National Poets Day. August 22nd, National Tooth Fairy Day. August 23rd, Ride the Wind Day. But, August 19th, Aviation Day. There's plenty of pilots. There's plenty of people that love aviation. I mean, there's lots of different forms. You even got like outer space NASA logo on there. August 20th, National Radio Day. I mean, that goes beyond probably just radio. Radio waves being used as a like communication medium cover a pretty wide spectrum. August 21st, National Poets Day, poetry, famous poets, etc. Like lots of potential there. Lots of niches. The archive. So these are all what was trending 11 months ago. So it's like saying, hey, let's go back in time to July. It was 11 months ago. So it would be August 19th, 2025. So it's like, hey, let's prepare for what could be big 1 month from today. You got a lot of the Black Cat designs. You got an axolotl design, class of 2038, and then some designs that probably should be filtered out. All right, let's check out removed designs. These were all removed in the last 24 hours. I don't see a lot of overlapping. This could have been removed by Amazon or by the uploader, so not necessarily a guarantee signal contained in what you see here. All right, guys, thank you for watching till the end. My full print-on-demand course will be linked below if you guys want to learn exactly how I was able to basically replace a full-time job of a wage as a senior web developer with just print-on-demand exclusively. That is linked below. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another new video.